Hey guys, this is a wall mirror decor that I just made, and I really love the way this turned out. I used cereal boxes. It's so easy to make. Now let's go ahead and get started. These are the shapes that I cut out, and then I kept them aside. So I took my cereal box, I opened it up, and I'm gonna be tracing out the shapes on the cereal boxes and then cutting them out. If you're new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. Now don't forget to click on the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my latest videos. I drew out 6 of these, and then I'll turn it to the back, and I will draw out another 6 of these. This is the smaller pattern, and I will be using the front and the back, and I will be making 8 pieces of each. And I spray painted them silver. Now for the smaller pieces, this is how I'm going to be putting them together and gluing them down to form this design. These are 2 mirrors that I got from the Dollar Tree a long time ago, and I'm going to be adding them up together with tape at the back just to hold it in place for now. I arranged the pieces the way I want them to appear, and then I'm going to be using craft sticks to join them up together with the mirror. I turn the mirror over, and this is how I'm going to be gluing down the craft sticks. You're going to glue the craft sticks in such a way that at the front it won't show. I turned it over, and this is what it looks like. And then I arranged the pieces again. These are extra pieces that I made. I made these pieces because at this point here, it wasn't really flowing. So to keep it uniform, I made 2 extra pieces. And this is also because of the length of both mirrors that I used. I glued them on, but at the corner was kind of tricky. So this was how I glued them together. This is what it looks like. And then I took the pieces that I joined together, and this is where I'm going to be gluing them down. These are large gems that I got from Walmart, and this is how I'm going to be gluing them down onto the design. These are smaller gems of different sizes that I will be using also in the design. I glued on the smaller gems to the curves and corners that were closest to the mirror. I added more larger gems to the design. These are silver plastic spoons that I detached from one another, the top from the bottom, and this is how I'm going to be placing them. They're kind of long, so I will cut them down to the length that I need for the design. It's plastic, so it's easy to cut them. I glued them down, and I repeated the same step throughout the design. This is what it looks like. And then I added more gems here at these points and here to cover up the tips of the spoons. When I was done, I cleaned down the mirror and I removed all the glue strings. This is a foam board that I cut out, and I'll be gluing it at the back. I also glued on hooks to hang it vertically and horizontally. And this is what it looks like. mirrors for this project, but then you can use one whole mirror. I also used silver, but then you can spray paint it gold or any color of your choice. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about this mirror, and remember to like and share, and also remember to turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my latest videos. Thank you so much for watching. I have other videos linked in the description box below. Do check them out, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button.